Move fast! Let's go! Move faster right now! You're now aboard Marine Corps Recruit Depot, Parris Island, South Carolina. You've taken the first step to becoming a member of the world's finest fighting force, the United States Marine Corps. The Marine Corps' success depends upon teamwork. Therefore, teamwork will be an essential part of your training here at Parris Island. You would live, eat, sleep, and train as a team. The words I, me, or my will no longer be a part of your vocabulary. You will use words such as this recruit, that recruit, these recruits. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Tens of thousands of Marines have begun outstanding service to our country on the very footprints in which you stand today. You will carry on that proud tradition. Do you understand?
Yes,